Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was down 0.33% today. Really kind of an interesting day. And considering the earnings that were so good yesterday from Google, for example, and then today, after hours, we had good earnings from Microsoft. Had good earnings actually from Meta too, although it's down after hours because the market didn't like the forward guidance. But those were all things that happened after the market closed. So during the time that the market was open, we had a sell-off in some of the semiconductor stocks. Supermicro, which is one of the really hot little stocks that went crazy over the past 12 months, dropped 33% today when their auditor quit. There's something going on there. We'll find out over time. There was some disappointing guidance from advanced micro devices. We saw this last time during this week also. And so, there's good and bad going on as far as that goes. Altogether, we're just waiting for the election to happen. We're waiting for November to happen. One of the things that you have to realize is that there's a lot of corporate buybacks, billions of dollars of buybacks of their own stocks that happen. And there's kind of these windows that open. So, during earnings season, they wait until after. So November, there's projected to be $6 billion a day of corporate stock buybacks. And again, November is the best month. If you go back to 1928 and look at, seasonality, November has an average rate of return of 2.4% for the month. And so, things are really not bad at all. They're going along well. And the big thing that came out today that I thought would drive the market, because I thought it was really important, was the gross domestic product came out for the third quarter was at 2.8%. We were at 3% for the second quarter. These are really good numbers. You get a really hot number. You're worried now the Fed might actually be, not raising rates or looking at raising rates at some point in time. A really bad number. You start to worry about whether they should have cut by half a point, and maybe it should be more. So anyway, those types of things. What we're doing right now is exactly a soft landing. We've come down on the inflation front to very close to the 2% target that they want, and we still have really decent growth in that kind of 2.8 to 3% range. Mostly driven by consumers. And that's another good sign. Even though it's kind of interesting via the surveys, consumers are, not that happy with the economy or whatever is out there. Really what I look at is not so much the surveys. I look at, what they're doing in terms of spending, and they've been spending quite well for quite a while here, all the way through this pandemic and beyond. They've been driving this whole thing into this soft landing zone that we're in at the moment. So hopefully we'll be able to stay there. A lot of great things going on here. Some more earnings coming out, tomorrow. So we'll talk about those. So look forward to seeing you then. Thank you very much.